I once spent an entire afternoon making what was supposed to be creamy vanilla ice cream. What came out looked like frozen scrambled eggs. Too icy, too hard, and somehow still expensive. The problem wasn't only my recipe. Choosing an ice cream maker means sorting through freezer bowls, compressors, confusing programs, noise, and machines that occupy half the kitchen. So I compared 8 popular models to find out which ones are genuinely convenient and which demand too many compromises. And well, the Whynter makes proper ice cream without asking you to plan tomorrow's dessert today. 8. Ninja CREAMi Ice Cream Maker. The Ninja CREAMi works differently from a traditional ice cream maker. Instead of churning a liquid while it freezes, you prepare your mixture in one of the pint containers, freeze it solid, and then let the machine process that frozen block into a creamy dessert. Its 7 one-touch programs cover ice cream, gelato, sorbet, smoothie bowls, light ice cream, milkshakes, and mix-ins. That flexibility is excellent for protein ice cream, dairy-free recipes, fruit sorbets, and lower sugar desserts that often struggle in conventional machines. Texture can be genuinely impressive. A basic chocolate base comes out dense and smooth, while the mix-in program folds cookies or candy through the pint without completely destroying them. If the first pass looks powdery, the re-spin function usually brings it together. But here's the catch. You normally need to freeze the mixture for about a day before processing it, so that spontaneous 10 o'clock craving? You had better hope yesterday's version of you was organized. It is also surprisingly loud during processing. The pint format is convenient for customization, but less useful when serving a large family. You may need to process several containers individually. The CREAMi is fantastic for controlled portions and experimental recipes, but the planning, noise, and batch size keep it at number 8. 7. GreenPan Frost Ice Cream Maker. The GreenPan takes the opposite approach. Its built-in compressor chills ingredients inside the machine, so there's no freezer bowl and no overnight wait. Depending on the recipe, it can prepare frozen treats in roughly 15 to 30 minutes. There are 6 operating modes and 7 texture settings, covering soft serve, sorbet, milkshakes, slushies, frozen cocktails, and other chilled desserts. Its approximately 2-quart capacity can handle a family-sized batch rather than one small pint at a time. The dispensing handle is undeniably fun. Pull it down and the dessert spirals into the cone with that proper ice cream shop appearance. Kids love it, adults pretend they don't tear, and then immediately attempt the tallest swirl possible. Still, this is a substantial appliance. It weighs roughly 25 pounds and stands over 17 inches high, so moving it between a cupboard and the counter gets old quickly. The softest mixtures can also dispense more slowly than expected. GreenPan includes a cleaning cycle, and several removable components are dishwasher safe, which helps. Even so, the dispenser and mixing assembly have more contact points than a simple bowl machine. It is capable and entertaining, but its size and cleanup stop it climbing higher. 6. Nostalgia Ice Cream Maker. The nostalgia brings back the classic bucket-style experience. You place the aluminum canister inside the outer bucket, surround it with layers of ice and salt, attach the electric motor, and let the machine do the churning. No hand cranking is required. Its biggest advantage is capacity. The 4-quart canister makes enough ice cream for a barbecue, birthday party, or large family dinner. Compared with compact pint machines, this feels less like preparing a personal snack and more like feeding an enthusiastic crowd. The texture has that familiar homemade quality, soft, rich, and slightly rustic. It works especially well for traditional vanilla, strawberry, chocolate, frozen yogurt, and recipes loaded with fruit. The transparent storage lid also lets the inner canister go directly into the freezer. You do need plenty of ice and rock salt, though. Layering everything correctly requires more involvement than pressing a digital button. Meltwater can make the process messy, and the machine is not exactly quiet while the motor works against the thickening mixture. But you know, the inconvenience is partly the charm. This is the machine I would bring outside for a summer gathering. It is affordable, portable, and genuinely fun when making ice cream is meant to become an activity rather than another kitchen task.
5. Cuisinart ICE-21P. The Cuisinart is refreshingly simple. Freeze the double-insulated bowl, lock it into the base, add the mixing paddle and lid, then flip one switch. There are no complicated menus and no collection of buttons demanding a manual. It produces up to 1.5 quarts, which is a practical amount for most households. The wide ingredient spout lets you add chocolate chips, crushed cookies, nuts, or fruit, while the machine continues churning. Most batches finish in around 20 minutes. What impressed me most was the consistency. With a properly chilled base, the IC-21 creates smooth, airy ice cream without requiring constant supervision. It also handles frozen yogurt and sorbet well, which explains why established testing publications continue to recommend it. The main limitation is that freezer bowl. It needs to be completely frozen before use, usually overnight, and it occupies valuable freezer space. Once you finish a batch, you cannot immediately make another unless you own a second frozen bowl. Even with that restriction, this machine offers outstanding value. It is compact, easy to clean, and forgiving enough for beginners. If you make ice cream occasionally and do not mind planning ahead, the IC-21 may be all the machine you actually need.
4. Cuisinart Soft Serve Ice Cream Maker. The Cuisinart Soft Serve machine turns dessert into an event. It makes approximately 1.5 quarts and dispenses the finished mixture through a proper pull-down handle. The result feels much closer to visiting a frozen yogurt shop than scooping from a container. 3 built-in topping dispensers can hold sprinkles, miniature chocolate pieces, or other small dry mix-ins. As you serve, you release the toppings directly over the cone. There is even a cone holder because apparently your kitchen has now become a dessert counter. Performance depends heavily on temperature. The freezer bowl must be frozen solid and the mixture should be thoroughly chilled. Get those 2 things right, and the machine produces a smooth, light texture that holds its swirl surprisingly well. This is not the ideal machine for dense, premium-style ice cream. It is designed for softer results, and large or sticky toppings should not go through the dispensers. Cleanup also involves more pieces than cleaning the simpler Cuisinart ICE-21. Still, for families and parties, it is difficult to beat the fun factor. Everyone can make a cone, choose toppings, and create a small disaster around the machine. Well, that final feature is not advertised, but it is practically guaranteed. Number 3. Ninja CREAMi Scoop and Swirl Ice Cream Maker. The Ninja Scoop and Swirl combines the texture control of a CREAMi with the excitement of a soft-serve dispenser. It can create desserts firm enough to scoop or soft enough to spiral into a cone, giving it more range than most specialized machines. This is particularly useful for customized recipes. High-protein bases, dairy-free mixtures, fruit-forward sorbets, and reduced-calorie desserts can all be processed with dedicated programs. You control the ingredients rather than accepting whatever is hidden inside a commercial soft-serve mix. The soft serve function is the star. Once processed correctly, the mixture moves through the dispensing system smoothly and produces defined swirls. The machine turns an ordinary protein dessert into something that feels, honestly, far more indulgent than it really is. Like the standard CREAMi, it still expects advanced freezing. That means preparation matters, and spontaneous batches are not its strength.
It also has a larger footprint and more components to wash, especially after using sticky mixtures in the dispensing system. But the versatility earns its position. You are effectively getting a scoopable dessert maker, soft serve machine, milkshake maker, and recipe customization platform in one appliance. For households managing different diets and preferences, that range is seriously valuable. 2. Martha Stewart Ice Cream Maker. The Martha Stewart lineup includes both freezer bowl and self-chilling compressor configurations. For this ranking, the compressor version is the one that matters. It removes the biggest inconvenience associated with traditional home machines, remembering to freeze a large bowl overnight. Operation is straightforward. Add a chilled mixture, select the desired setting, and let the machine freeze and churn simultaneously. You can decide after dinner that you want ice cream and begin making it immediately rather than scheduling dessert a day in advance. The removable bowl makes flavor changes and cleanup easier. Vanilla custard, chocolate ice cream, frozen yogurt, and fruit sorbet all benefit from steady churning while the compressor lowers the temperature. Results feel denser and more traditional than processed pint-style desserts. I also appreciate the restrained design. It looks like a serious kitchen appliance without covering the counter in brightly colored controls. The interface is approachable, and dishwasher-safe removable components reduce the less glamorous part of homemade ice cream, dealing with a sticky bowl. The freezer bowl model remains a sensible choice if price and storage matter more than spontaneity, but the compressor model is the stronger all-around purchase. It offers real convenience, conventional churning, and enough flexibility for beginners who eventually want to experiment with advanced recipes. Whynter Ice Cream Maker Machine. The Whynter earns first place because it focuses on the thing that matters most, producing consistently good frozen desserts without advanced freezing. Both the ICM200LS and upright ICM201SB use built-in compressors, letting you start whenever the craving appears. Capacity is roughly 2 quarts, enough for family dessert without creating an unreasonable mountain of leftovers. The stainless steel exterior feels substantial, while the removable bowl and churn blade keep the working parts manageable when it is time to clean everything. Texture is where Whynter separates itself. A cold custard base becomes smooth, dense ice cream with minimal iciness. Sorbet freezes evenly, and gelato-style recipes remain creamy rather than fluffy. Independent testing also places Whynter among the strongest self-freezing choices. The controls are straightforward, with a timer and visible display rather than an overwhelming selection of novelty programs. Automatic cooling helps protect the finished texture if you cannot remove the batch immediately. Motor protection can also stop operation if the mixture becomes too hard. Yes, Whynter machines are heavier and more expensive than freezer bowl models, but here's what matters. They remove the planning that stops many people from making ice cream regularly. Add your mixture, start the machine, and let it churn. Bottom line, this is the model most likely to keep earning its counter space. So, which one should you buy? Choose the Cuisinart ICE-21 for affordable simplicity, the Ninja Scoop and Swirl for customized high-protein desserts and soft serve, or the Nostalgia when you need to feed a crowd. But if you want traditional texture, generous capacity, and no overnight freezer ritual, the Whynter is my #1 choice. And yes, it would have saved me from that bowl of frozen scrambled eggs.